Ooh, what's going on? Vic from the Stump Shop, and in today's video, I'm going to show you everything I've built in my own home. I'm not going to be showing you anything that I bought or how to make something. In this video, we're going to switch it up. Instead, we're going to go tour my house and show you everything that I made. And trust me, you won't want to miss some of this weird stuff that I've made around this house. So if you like DIY or just improving your own home, stick around. So come on, let's go, let's go. What are you guys doing? I told you we're starting in the basement. We're going to skip the shop in this video. That's what my last video was for. It gave you a shop tour, so go check that out. Did I actually tell you we're starting in the basement? Yeah, that's why I'm sitting there waiting like an idiot. Let's go. As soon as we enter the stairwell to my basement, it begins. There's the arrows that I made probably about 10 years ago because I thought I was going to make arrows and sell them all. But let's skip straight to the first room. Bet you didn't see me there, did you? The gaming room, the movie room, the playroom, the chill zone. You can call it whatever you want, but we're going to start out in my favorite room in the entire house, the TV room. And we're going to start with this solid oak table I made. We really wanted a centerpiece in the basement where we can play games and obviously eat. So I made this out of white oak, added some trapezoid legs, I think they're called, and boom. And that covers the oak table, which is kind of like the centerpiece of the room. But remember at the start of the video, I said I make some fun but weird and interesting kind of things. I made a few for this room, so check it out. Now, I'd say this is more fun than weird, but it's my Super Mario coin snack box. I made this a few years ago when we decided to go with a Mario-themed TV room. Ah, one of my favorites. I covered a bunch of Hot Wheels in epoxy and made it a table. Then I also made little side things like that, just so somewhere to put your drink. And then this. It's also made out of epoxy. It's an awesome TV tray with a bunch of stickers. Now, before we wrap up the TV room, I thought it would be worth mentioning that I made this also. It is a blanket rack. And man, we have a lot of blankets and pillows. I mean, a lot of both. All right, I think that's it finally, but in case all 8 of you that are going to watch this video want to come sleep over, I got enough blankets and definitely enough pillows, so what are you waiting for? And that wraps up my favorite room in the house, the TV room. Now you can tell why it's my favorite. Next, I'm standing here in our home gym. It's actually right next to the TV room so that if you're riding the Peloton or the treadmill, you can watch the TV. And I just recently redid this room. So let me show you what I actually built in our home gym. A very simple build, my treadmill stand, but also one of the most used. And then there's this little gym cart I made, rollable. I did it for a brand a while ago, and now I use it literally every day. Moving on to the mini built-in fridge corner. I just simply love this. I love the maple top. Then I did the shiplap backing, and it gives us a nice little corner. Moving on to these built-in shelves I made out of maple plywood. And if I didn't do that, they would still look like this other one in our basement. Well, that pretty much wraps up the home gym. And right next to that is this work from home or school from home desk that I had to build a few years ago during that virus season. But ever since then, we just kept the desk down here. Kids used it for homeschooling. I now use it to record my podcast or to do some odd work. But this desk was all handmade by moi. The crayon piece. Same as the Hot Wheels, I buried a bunch of crayons in epoxy, and man, that turned out awesome. All right, let's wrap up the basement because on this side of the basement, I really didn't do that much. I did, however, make this custom tray on top of this shelf, which now houses the gerbils. Will they make an appearance in this video? Okay, I know I told you earlier I'm not going to show you stumps in this video, but ones like this, I kind of have to show you. How sick is that? Wood slices held together by copper epoxy. Benches, two different types, very different. This one's got the live maple top with two stump legs, and this one I cut a full log right in half and made that one. But two different styles. Let me know in the comments which one you like better, and I'll pick someone randomly and send them a Stump Shop t-shirt. And to wrap up the basement, I remember going out to the garage one day and literally building that table for my laser out of scraps. Then I built this shelf for another project that I did with a brand. And right now it just has all my stuff for my laser. And then moving on to this, it's where we keep our costumes and kids can play dress up. But the term tickle trunk, have you guys ever heard that? Let me know in the comments. And then on to the final room in the basement. The cold room. And down here, I just focused on storage. So I built that coat rack. I made this shoe rack, left space for boots. And then I waterproofed the walls. And that's our cold room. I can't believe I almost forgot to show them one of the coolest things I ever made. The Nintendo controller box. I made this a few years ago, and not only is it made out of solid wood, obviously custom sized, cut everything, but look at this. Storage right throughout the whole thing. That's where I used to hide all my snacks before I built that coin box. And that's all, folks. I just realized that's a lot of stuff I've built in my own basement, and I didn't even start showing you the finishing nook. That's where I finish all my pieces. I have all my stains and paints. That's a whole other video, but that's right in that room there. But for now, that concludes the basement, so let's head on upstairs. Okay guys, I'm calling an audible here. Originally, I did plan on showing you everything we've built in my house, but after just the basement, the video is long enough. However, we are upstairs, I promised you that, and what I'm thinking is I'll make a little mini series of these videos and I'll show you what I built in the middle floor and then what I've built upstairs. Here in the office, just a quick example, I built these floating shelves, so things like that will go throughout the rest of my house and I'll show you next time. So if you're into this kind of stuff and seeing all the stuff I've built and other types of videos, make sure to follow me, subscribe to my channel, please like, and comment which piece I showed you in the basement is your favorite. I'm just curious because I know there's a lot of stuff I showed you, but come back in the next video so you can see the rest. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao.